Hey everybody, and welcome to this new video. My name is Tonio and I'm the Director for Media and Content here at ChainGPT. And in today's video, I will give you an in-depth tutorial on how to use the ChainGPT Launchpad. And if you've been following my videos or ChainGPT in general, which you should, then you already know how powerful ChainGPT in general is as an AI project, and you've probably also heard about the Launchpad. And this is what today's video is going to be all about. We're going to take a deep dive into the ChainGPT Launchpad, and I will show you how you can participate in the upcoming IDOs and how you can purchase CGBT token, stake them, and just overall how everything works. So without doing any more talking than necessary, let's jump right into it. So as you can see here, and actually you might already know about this because you've been following ChainGPT, is that this Launchpad is relatively new. So there's only a few projects that have already incubated through the ChainGPT Launchpad, one of them being DexCheck. And then there's some more projects that are coming up, such as Solidus AI or TradeTomato. And if you check out some of my previous videos, I've actually introduced all of these projects in separate videos, and you are more than welcome to check them out and also do a little deep dive into those projects, because one of the amazing things about the ChainGPT Launchpad is that they're actually very picky. So it's not like they're just accepting any project that applies. I know myself, since I'm in the team and I'm like communicating with everybody that's responsible for the Launchpad, what the discussions are behind the scenes and how careful and how detail oriented the entire team works in order to ensure that we're only picking the best of the best and the most innovative AI projects out there. Which is obviously very important because we at ChainGPT want to just stand for the most innovation and the highest quality when it comes to the selection of our projects. So getting started on the ChainGPT Pad is very straightforward and very simple. Of course, we want to make it as simple and convenient as possible for you to participate in the IDO and to use the ChainGPT Pad. So the first thing you're going to have to do is the KYC process. KYC stands for Know Your Customer, so it's just a simple identification process. And for step number 2, after the sign up KYC process, is that you're going to have to verify your wallet. And just keep in mind that it is one wallet per user only. Step number 3, in order to access your tier, is to stake some CGBT. Depending on how much CGBT you're staking, you're going to be ending up in a different tier. You're going to have different multipliers and different benefits. But we're going to go deeper into that in just a minute. And then the final step in order to participate in the IDOs is to register your interest for a project. And that's all there is to it. So it's really that simple. But still, I would like to go through these individual steps with you, just so there are no more open questions. The only thing though, I'm not going to go through step 1 and 2, which is the sign up in KYC, as well as the verifying the wallet, because I've already done that and I would have just create a new account, create a new wallet and all that stuff. So it's actually a very straightforward process, so I don't think that you're going to have any issues with that. But let's look at how to access your tier, which is step number 3, and stake some CGBT. So as you can see, there are 4 different tiers, starting with bronze, silver, gold, and then finally diamond. And under the names, you can also see how much CGBT you would actually have to stake in order to get the tier assigned. So of course you want to know what each tier actually means and what the benefits are. Maybe silver or gold is enough for you, or even bronze, or maybe you want to go for the diamond standard. I can't make the decision for you, but if you click on tier benefits, you actually get a very nice overview. So here you can see such things as the allocation multiplier, if you're not eligible for a refund, if you are getting a guaranteed round, which you are with every tier except for the bronze one. And then also if you're getting access to such things as private pools or the incubation airdrops. So, just take a minute, take a look at it and see which tier it is that you want to aim for. And once you've taken a good look at the chart and you decided on which tier to aim for, you obviously know how many tokens you would need to stake. So that's the next step that we're going to be looking at, is acquiring CGBT and then staking it in order to access our tier. So let's go. So there are 2 main ways if you want to buy CGBT tokens. One would be to buy them directly at a centralized exchange and then transfer them to your wallet that you're going to be using in order to connect it with the Launchpad. Number 2 would be to log into PancakeSwap, and then if you have BNB coins or something like that, you could just change it to CGBT. And that's what I've been doing, and that's what we're going to do now. So once you're on PancakeSwap, go ahead and open the trading section and connect your wallet. Now, in order to find the CGPT token on PancakeSwap, you will have to enter the contract address. So now all that's left to do in order to get the CGPT token is to select the token that you would like to trade with. So in my case, it's BUSD. And now I'm just going to enter the amount that I would like to trade. And then once you've entered the amount, just click on swap and the token will immediately be swapped and you have now CGBT tokens in your wallet. So here we are back on the ChainGPT Launchpad, and this section has actually been pre-recorded because the DexCheck IDO has already happened. So this was before the DexCheck IDO happened. It was one of the upcoming IDOs, and I've recorded the entire process in order for you to take a good look at and see what it's like when you're participating in an IDO that's coming up. So once again, here it is very important that you actually register your interest for a project before the IDO. So right here, there's still 2 hours and 44 minutes left. So this would be a good time to register interest, because only that way you can actually make a purchase on the IDO date. So here on the DexCheck page, you can see that I actually don't have any tiers. So when I click on the register button, it will actually lead me to the staking page. So here you can see there's actually several different staking pools. And if you want to get more details on each individual staking pool, there's a little button on the right side where it says details. So let's open that up. In my case, because I've acquired 2000 CGBT token and I want to get into the bronze tier, I'm just going to click on 100%, which is all of the tokens that I have, and I'm going to stake them. So now I've selected 100% of my tokens and I tapped on approve. Now it's taking me back to MetaMask, my wallet, where I now have to confirm this transaction. And then after that, you are staking CGPT tokens and you are ready to register interest and to participate in the IDOs. All right guys, and now I've actually jumped a little bit in time here because it's not 2 hours and 45 minutes until the DexCheck IDO when I recorded this, but it's actually just a few minutes out. And I've also upgraded from my bronze tier to my diamond tier because I actually wanted to get the nice multiplier features and all the other benefits that come with the diamond tier. So now I clicked on the DexCheck page and you can see the timer is running down. And once the countdown is over, I'll be able to purchase the allocated amount. And currently, because I'm also part of the diamond tier, I can actually get an allocation of $2,564. All right, the page has been updated, the time is over, and now all that's left to do is to confirm the transaction with a MetaMask. This approval actually might take a while, and while we're waiting, I would like to talk a little bit about the vesting schedule, because there are certain rules, or I guess you could say agreements, when purchasing tokens at the IDO. Because as you can see here, 12% of the total tokens will be delivered at the time of the listing. And after that, you will not receive any tokens for 2 months. This is what we call cliff. And then after this cliff, the remaining 88% will be paid out over 6 months. And now you can see here the approval process has actually been completed, so we've waited enough time. And now the swap button became active. And I will now buy my $2,564 allocation. And we're done. This is literally how easy it is to participate in the pre-sale. And then revisit the page and claim your tokens when you're ready. So everybody, this is it for this quick video. Actually, it wasn't as quick as intended, but I hope that I got all the information delivered that you need in order to participate in the next IDO and in order to use the ChainGPT Launchpad. And find out more about it by visiting the website. And if there's anything else that you might just want to tell us, whether it's feedback or if there's any open questions, drop a comment in the comment section or just text us on Twitter or visit our Telegram group and be a part of our community. We really appreciate it, and thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the ChainGPT Launchpad. Until then, take care and bye-bye.